हमारे रहे. We kind of start preparing Thinset, and we're gonna tell you, everybody obviously has their preference. I like the texture of an Italian ice cream, let's say like a gelato, which still, when you use your scoop, it still can hold without sagging out of your scoop. So once you get it with that texture, it's ready to go. Let's go start bonding. Select the trouble that you want to use. In this case, we're using a 3/8 of an inch by a 1/4 of an inch, 12 inch by 6 standard trowel. And we bonding both sides. We're using a technique that we call double bonding. So we put in Thinset on the floor and we put in Thinset on the tile as well, to make sure that you have better bonding. We also use that double technique, going with the travel teeth in one direction on the floor and a different direction on the tile, so you create a better, strong bonding, and also help you out to keep a constant level using obviously same travel all around once you level your floor, as you saw on our previous video.